Hello students, so today we're going to be learning about the transformation of a reflection. So remember, reflections mean that you're like flipping the thing, the shape or the point across a certain place. So reflection, once again, is like a flip. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the first example on the worksheet. So we're doing a reflection across y equals -2. So you want to think of this as your y-axis, and where does y equal -2? Well, it's going to be right here at -2. So I bolded our x and y axis so that you can see that it was definitely -2. So what you do is you draw a line straight across where y is -2. And that is what we're going to consider our mirror or our reflection piece. So we're going to picture all of these points down here being reflected so that way they are up here now. And to do that, you just simply count how far away they are from your point of reflection. So as you can see, I is right on the line, so we're going to keep it there. So E, you count it as being 1 away because you went from the line 1 away. So because you went down, instead you're going to go up when you reflect it. So E is going to end up right, oops, I put it in the wrong spot. It's going to end up right here, 1 away from your point of reflection, or your line of reflection. So you're going to do the same thing with each of these points. So over here, Q is 2 away from your mirror, so it's going to go 2 away in this direction. So it's going to be right there. So I'm going to change, and there's where Q will be. And so same thing with, I think that's a Z down there. So that's 1, 2, 3 away. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3 away. And so that is where we will put Z. And so now that you have all your points up here, you just connect them, and as you will see, it is in fact the same shape. It's just now flipped so that it is above that line or the mirror that we had there before. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and try the whole reflections practice. So you're going to find where the reflection line is and then just flip your shape so it's on the other side of it.